Hello students, today we are going to study chapter insects. As we see small insects around us every day like butterfly, housefly, honeybee, all these are insects. You also see ant at your home, so it is also an insects. These all are insects and there are many kinds of insects. As you can see in the picture, there are very small and different kinds of insects. Insects are found everywhere, in hot desert also, and on mountains also, and even in water also. They are found everywhere. So let's study about insects in detail. Body parts of insects. There are three main body parts of an insect. First is head, second is thorax, and third one is abdomen. Head is the upper part, then in the middle it is thorax, and at the end it is abdomen. Head consists of two eyes, two fillers, and a mouth. Two fillers help them to smell and feel something. Like if an insect feels something or smells something, it is just because of the fillers present on its head. Mouth to eat, and they have two eyes to see. Second part is thorax. Thorax has two wings and legs. Wings help insects to fly and legs help them to walk. There are 6 to 8 legs in an insect's body. And the last part is abdomen. Abdomen consists of many other main parts of the body of an insect. As we all know that insects are also living things, so they also need food to survive. So many of the insects like butterfly, bees feed on nectar. Now what is nectar? Nectar is a sweet liquid present in flowers, or we can say juice of the flower. Many insects feed on blood also, like mosquito. Some insects like dragonfly and ladybird beetle feed on other small insects. Ladybird beetle is also called farmer's friend, as it eats the small insects which damages the plants. Some other insects like termites eat roots of the plant. Some insects feed on seeds also, like wheat, rice, pulses, and spoil the food grain. You can see in some of the food grains you will find small insects. They feed on that grains. Cockroaches and flies feed on dirt. You can see cockroaches and flies where there is a lot of dirt or dust. They carry germs and dirt from one place to another. That is why it is said that you should always cover your food, because flies sit on that and spread different types of diseases, as flies feed on dirt and other bad things. Now coming to, as insects are living things, they breathe also. But how do they breathe? They breathe through small tiny holes present on their body all around. These tiny holes are called spiracles. Spiracles are network like present in their body. The air enters the body through these small holes and reaches every part of the body. Now at last, as insects are living things, so also they also reproduce, and Young ones come by hatching the eggs. Insects lay egg and they reproduce. Many of the insects like butterfly and moth lay eggs on the plant, and mosquitoes lay eggs in water. Bee lay eggs in hive. As we know that it is said that we should not collect water here and there, otherwise mosquitoes will spread, because mosquitoes lay eggs in water. So we have studied this chapter. Thank you.